right, Sam's putting the thunder shirt on. Come on, Sam. Stand up. You can do it.
All right, Sam. That's a good kid.
Sam, come on. You can walk. Sam, really? Sam. Come on. You can do it. Your legs work. No. Sam, your legs work. Come on. This is like Sam. Leslie, you're worse than the cat.
All right, Sam. Stand up. You can do it. Thunder, Sam.
What? He's like falling on his head.
That's it. He's just paralyzed.
Sam.